Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of the new 2023 Corel. I thought I'd just kind of give you a little bit more insight what I've learned already. You can also use the new tool, the variable outline tool, on this. But if you open the F12, which is your pin docker, they put a new variable outline here. We're going to double click and put a node right there and put it actually to the end. Our line is 10 points. That's what it was. We're going to make this one 24 points. See how it tapered it? You could actually hit F12 again, put a node at the other end, and make it 5 points. So you've made a tapered line that's basically an outline. Now to copy that with your pick tool, if you will select the variable outline, you get right here to a variable, copy variable outline. So we're going to select, this one is selected. Now we're going to select that one, and it did it to that one. So I'm going to select this one now, go to copy, and select that, and now it's made all three in line. Now, this is also under Windows, Dockers, and Properties. You have that same variable outline that we did in the other box with the F12. So you could keep this window open and work with it that way. That's pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.